What's up, guys? So I just got out of work and we're here at Costco to go grab a GoPro because I got some big plans this weekend. So I have an old GoPro, but I'm going water skiing this weekend and having a barbecue and stuff, so I figured it'd be cool to get a new one. And then hopefully I can use it to get back into making some more regular videos and doing a little bit more travel stuff as well. All right, so here's the GoPro I'm gonna get. It's the 13 black and it comes with some extra batteries. I guess I didn't really need a cart for the GoPro, but there we go. It's really too bad I don't have a GoPro to film myself unboxing this GoPro. But anyway, here's what's inside. So, pulling off the paper wrapping. And it looks like underneath this is just regular GoPro under the Costco wrapping. So inside here, this Costco, I think it's like a special Costco edition one. You get a little carrying case with it. And then right in there, you got the GoPro and the accessories and stuff. Check it out, it's pretty cool. I need to get a selfie stick type of thing for it though. Alright, so I got two quick stops to make. First is going to be here at Best Buy to grab this GoPro handle, and then second will be over at the grocery store to grab some stuff for tomorrow. We got this. Stop one is done. On to errand number 2. This is a grocery store where I'm going to be picking up some things for the barbecue tomorrow. Hello. Check it out.
This is so weird.
Right?
That's cool.
And then you can see yourself in selfie mode like this.
Yeah, I was looking at myself. That's so funny.
What's the question?
Should I go for a pink? Should I go for a blue? Or should I go for a green?
Scramble them up.
But what if I want to go for a different brand?
Scramble them up.
Okay. Pink it is.
Pink it is.
Your total is 24. Please wait.
I really like this is because you can spin it around from like the video here to the video here very seamlessly, whereas like on your iPhone you have to actually like tap, you know what I mean? Hype for tomorrow?
Type.
Ready to be on the boat, ready to water ski or tube with me? You're gonna tube with me?
I'm ready to tube. I will not be worse.
Is that an issue?
Yeah, that was glasses on.
Nah, I don't need to see.
It should be. We'll get that.
Did he do that on purpose? Why? Okay. Good job, Bert!
Say hi to the vlog.
What are we cooking here? You got the
Thing
good
overcooked.
shit going.
We're here at Smoke Rise Barbecue with Aaron,
Oh, I don't know.
Krista,
It's just
Julia, Ethan.
Are you back done?
Probably needs another minute or two.
Guys, food's ready!
Oh, the GoPro?
Watch it later.
Say something.
Thank you for cooking.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love corn.
Love corn.
Hello.
Cabbage. Good work.
I was going back.
It's coming back to you, but goodbye.
Cassidy.
What do you got to say?
Hey, Bert.
All right, I need you to give me the ones that you said.
Thank you.
Gotta go that way. Give it to Meg. What's up, Joseph? No, you do cheese on the burger.
It's on a vlog.
Oh, for us.
So, for us, what we're grateful for, or what is
Give me
it?
2 slices of Colby.
Mal, introduce yourself.
Who wants to shoot?
I'm Julia.
Ethan.
I'm tired from volleyball.
Damn. How's volleyball?
Volleyball was good. I cut my knee, but it was worth it because I think my team won.
Okay.
So the other team kind of sucked. Sorry, Meg.
How you doing today?
Good. I think our team did win. As a matter of fact.
My knees are sunburned.
What happened? What happened?
And the hour's gone.